Hello. In this video, we're going to explain the solutions to the problem as in the class for the Java programming course. In the problem we had three classes. We have a class A here, which consists of three methods. M1, M2, and M3, and of course it's got a variable. It's called ivar and equal to 7, which is equal to 7. It's this one here, right? So that's of the parent. We have a class B, and this class B is the child of class A because it says extends in here, and this has got a method called M1, and all it does say B1, B's M1, and we have a third class. It's called C, which is a child of class B. So C has got a parent is B, and B has got a parent it's A, and of course each one, keep in mind, if there's a method that does not exist, for instance. It's got only M3 here. If I need M1 and I say CM1, for instance, if it's not here, it goes to the parent. If it doesn't have a parent, it goes to the grandparents, and so on. The whole idea is we create the methods here, or create objects using polymorphism. So if you've seen that, A equal new A, and so on. There's A2 as well. Is using A to create object from C. The idea of this exercise is to take each three lines here, put them here, and see what is the output is going to be corresponding to these ones. So all we need to is to draw a line between here and any of these lines, the correct answer. The same thing for this one. The same things. You move this one, these three, you put them in the box, and you see what the output is going to be like, and check it on here, and so on for the other two. Let's start and see what's that going to give us in here. Let's remove all these lines in here, and let's start. First one, if we take these three in here, look at the B. B is, here it is, B new B, so it's part of this in here. So when I say B M1, there's M1 here, there's M1 here, so it goes to this one. Say B's M1. So I look for anything start with B's M1. So there's one, and here B's M1. Here's one here, and of course there's one here. There are three here. All right. Second one, say CM2. What is C? C, here it is, of C, M2. So it comes in here. M2 doesn't exist, so it goes into the parent, and of course the parent doesn't have M2. It goes to the grandparent in here, and M2 is here. M2 says A's M2. So I'm looking for a second one. It says A's M2. So I have B, A's M2. Yes, this one. And here. This one A's M2 as well. Yeah, this is correct. And this one A's M2 is correct as well. Right. The third one, A M3. A, look at A. A is A of class A, so it comes in here. A M3. So M3 says A's M3. So we're looking for third one, A's M3. Yes, this one. This one, no, that's wrong. And this one, it's wrong. And therefore, the answer to this one, this is going to be going here. That's the answer to it. Now, moving the second one here. CM1, CM2, CM3. Look at C's, they're all C's. Remember C, here it is, C all it has is M3. So M1, so it goes to the parent as M1. And M2, there's M3 only, goes to the parent M1, so it has to go M2, is in here. Right, so let's see what the output is going to be look like. CM1, so C is here, it goes to C. CM1, it's not here, it goes here. So it says B, here's M1 in the parent. M1, B's M1. So look for something B's M1. B's M1. If we look at this one, B's M1. So again, right. This one, this one, this one, and of course this one. Yeah. 3, 4 of them. Right. Second one, CM2. CM2. So M3 here, M1 is M2, so I'm going M2. Says A's M2. So if I goes A's M2, it is A's M2. So this one, yes. This one, yes, as well. And B, this one is not. And this one, the A's M2. Of course, this is correct as well. So go for the third one, CM3. CM3, there it is, C. System out print here because C is near. CM3, and this is plus IVAR. IVAR, of course, not here. IVAR in the parent, which is 7 plus 6, 13. So that is going to give us C's M3, there it is, 13. So that is the right answer. So the answer to this is going to be this one in here. The third one, A, B, and C. A, M1. So we know A is A, M1. So A, M1. A, M1. M1 says A's M1. So we have this. We have this. Right. Let me just remove these actually. So we know this one go to the second. So we can mark this one. Let me remove these. So we know this one went to this one. Sorry, remove it again. And I'm going to say it's from here, just to make it clear, to here. And this one goes to number 4, which is this one. Now, do the third one. Third one, A, M1, B, M2, C, M3. A, M1, of course, A, M1 has A. M1 say A's M1. Has A's M1, has first one. This one. This one. A's M1, and of course, this one. Right? Now, look at the second one. Which one is it? B, M2. Has B, B, M2. Has B. There's no M2, so it goes to A's, M2. A's, M2. So that's one. The first one, so it's A's, M1. A's, M2, which is this one, yes. This one, no. And this one, last one, of course, yes. Third one says CM3. CM3, here it is. System out print, CM, and IVAR plus, IVAR 7 plus 6 is 13. So this becomes, of course, 13. This is wrong, and this is correct. And therefore, this is linked to this one, last one. And then we have A2s. A2s, remember, is of class A, C, A2 equal new C. So start with here, with C. The objects created in C, class C. So A2 M1, of course M2, M1 is not here, so it goes in here. Of course it says B's M1, B's M1, so it goes to the B's. Then we check on the B's here. As one, as one, as one, as one, and as one. There are 4. Right. The second one says A2 M2. And it is M2. So the M2 is not here. It's not here. What does the first one say? M2. Sorry, do apologize. Yeah, that's right. It's absolutely right. It's correct. So A2, M2. And it is A2. So there's M3. So it goes to the M2 and here. A, M2. Right, say A, M2. So that's A, M2. So it's going to be this. M2, this is wrong. Go. This is yes. And this is yes. So we have 2 correct. Now, third one is A2, M3. It comes in here. M3, here it is. If you look in here, here it is. M3 is here because A2 is C. Here it is. So it's going to be C, M3 plus and with 13. So if you look in here, if we look in here, where is it? A new A2, a new C. So if I go in here, I look in M3 or A2 M3, it is M3, and of course IVAR plus 6. So if I look in here, where is IVAR? Remember, IVAR plus 6 in here, which is, so that's B's, as B's, A's, and of course this one goes to that one. Right? That is the answer to the questions we had in the class. I hope you understood how that's worked out. Keep in mind, if the child doesn't have the method stated in it, you can go to the parent, and if it's not the parent, you can go to the grandparent until you find it. I hope you find this is understandable. Should you have any questions, please come on and see me, and I will explain that to you in further details. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to click on like it or you'd like some improvement on it, and I appreciate if you put some comments on it. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in more videos.